Hi all, my name is Arun James from group number 17. Uh, so primarily to begin with my experience with Youth on the Move, it was absolutely an eye-opener for me that made us realize, how enormously we can contribute towards our society as a whole and work towards its upliftment and or development in all possible aspects. During our initial days of this internship, after much discussions and contemplations on how we can work or contribute towards this organization in the most effective manner, we analyzed and decided to do a very central and pertinent need that we believe uh, Youth on the Move required at that time was a proper website upgradation and a makeover. Uh, this was a much required necessity because truly this website is the face that represents Youth on the Move to the outside world. So it needs to be well polished as it is one of the key factor that portrays our authenticity and transparency. Uh, and to also let them know, also let the whole world know the numerous activities that we undertake here in various domains, associating and collaborating with many personalities and institutions. So, with the constant discussions and with the guidance of our founder member, Rahul J. Mishra, we work to bring these changes and incorporate the same within the website. Uh, and finally, to conclude with my learnings of this internship, I believe this opportunity made us realize, each of us realize, the magic and power of love and compassion for our fellow beings and how stronger and merrier mankind will be with these qualities with them. These selfless acts of the beautiful minds here in Youth on the Move is what the whole world requires. And we would like to thank all of you for giving us this opportunity and working hand in hand each day to make this world a better place. Thank you.
Greetings to everyone. I am Prerna here from SIS School of Business Studies doing my master's under the PGDM core 21-23 batch. So very recently I started interning with Youth on the Move NGO, which is for a period of 2 weeks. And what me and my group, which is group number 17, we were doing is we were sort of assisting the NGO on the back end work, basically with respect to upgrading their website and also helping them with the social media campaign. So the kind of work we did over here was improvised the website a lot because the website was sort of built 2 to 3 years back, and it needed a lot of upgradations in terms of its look, in terms of proper placements of information so that it is easily accessible to everyone. We included more projects. We included testimonials in the website so that people are able to see and understand the kind of work Youth on the Move does. We also created a section where wherein we made it accessible for all their projects to be visible under one branch, so that when people come to their website, it is seen and it is known the type of work that Youth on the Move does and the type of social support that they provide, which is not restricted to just one topic, but they do it on a very longer and a larger perspective. So my learning over here has been that of course you have to be there on the front and help the people, help the society. And so we were closely working with the founder, Mr. Rohit Mishra, and the sort of drive and the motivation that he has to do things and to make a difference in the society has definitely left a very good impact on us and on our team, which actually motivated our team to sort of put our best foot forward. Like in the period of our internship, the group really wanted to do our best. We wanted to put in our best efforts because we connected with the ideology of the founder, and also we sort of resonated with the ideas that he has to bring a change in the society. So that was a very good learning for me in person, because I realized the difference that is needed in the society and the sort of work that goes behind it, and also that running an NGO is not easy thing. It involves a lot of factors, a lot of help, a lot of assistance, a lot of intricacies that we who are on the outer side, we generally don't give a lot of importance to, or we might not realize it. But in the 2 weeks I realized the importance of every role, and I am very grateful and glad that I could contribute from my end towards the project. The expertise that I hold of building a website, I could actually put it in use and make it helpful for the NGO, and I am very glad that I supported them in this journey. So that's about from my side. Thank you so much.
Working on Youth on the Move has been an extremely enriching experience. There are several creative and essential things that they do to upgrade the life of the society. Rohit Mishra and his team work with a vision and mission towards the society. I highly appreciate them for doing this excellent work that they have been conducting in uplifting the society issues. I'm really proud to be a part of this NGO. It is an organization which provides a strong message to sensitize the society. Providing opportunities to the needy people, Youth on the Move has been investing in a better future for India. The dedication and devotion to the cause is evident, and hats off.
Working with Rohit sir and Youth on the Move team was such an amazing experience. We could actually see and learn so many things. We can experience so many things. I could see the real meaning of happiness around the children. Like they don't have such many facilities. Still, they are really happy and like they have their dreams. So yeah, I could see the team working, putting so much efforts for this social work. So yes, my good wishes to them, to this team for their good work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Bhavita Shetty and today I'll be sharing my experience in volunteering at the NGO that is Youth on the Move. When I started volunteering, it was a tad bit confusing on how to begin, how to start, what to do, as it was completely new to me as I've never been part of any NGO. My very first experience was a visit to a tribal area where we actually celebrated our post-Christmas there with the kids. We played, we had a lot of fun there, and also saw some very beautiful pieces made by the ladies over there. And Youth on the Move was also the secret Santa of the kids there. They really enjoyed whatever they got. They were very happy with their gifts. And I don't think I would have experienced such thing if I was not part of Youth on the Move NGO. In a way, volunteering has not only taught me about the various challenges that society is facing, but also has helped me to be a better person. I think I'm indeed lucky to be the part of the NGO that's Youth on the Move. Sometimes you really want to help the needy people, but you don't find the right platform or a trusted platform. But trust me, here you'll get more than enough of experience learning, and you yourself will feel something you have contributed to the society. And I would really recommend everyone to join this NGO that's Youth on the Move. You'll surely have a great learning and great experience.
Hello, I'm Ronnie Bram and I am part of the NGO organization, Youth on the Move. Youth on the Move, like the name suggests, is a group of youngsters dedicated towards moving forward not as individuals but as a whole and harnessing the power of the youth, which are resourceful and dynamic and can make a difference. We believe in taking the lead and pushing everyone around us to realize and take part in making the society an ideal society that we all long for. Our projects and its fruits speak volumes of our efforts on individual and on the team levels. The path to making a vision a success requires helping hands that will lighten the burden and feet that will step up and step out onto the field and lend support to those who really need us. As an MBA student, I realized that I will learn and grow only when I widen my views and look beyond the horizon. And for that, Youth on the Move was the best platform where I could see beyond myself into the world and make a difference. Mr. Rohit and his team were very supportive and they allowed me the freedom, and this helped me understand that my small contributions can be a source of boundless joy for so many. By being part of Youth on the Move, I have realized that everyone should be part of such an organization where you gain a different perspective and you become that ray of hope in the dark corners of this world. Thank you.